Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Then again 9 multiply 3 is equal to 27. Okay, so 3 divide 27. So 3 divide 3 is equal to 1. 27 divide 3 is equal to 9. So the answer is 1 by 9. Okay, but this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this problem, here is division, and here is multiplication. So all have equal priority because multiplication and division both have equal priority. Okay, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, then we have to solve this division, and then we have to solve this multiplication. So is equal to 9 divide 3 is equal to 3 divide 9 multiply 3. Okay. Now 3 divide 9 can be written as 3 upon 9 multiply 3. So is equal to 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9 upon 9. Now 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Okay, so the correct answer is 1. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.